Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which has really made this Q3 stand out, and it does also feature the S-Tronic transmission. Moving on out to the key features, with this being the Black Edition model, it does mean this vehicle benefits from the added Black Edition styling, such as the gloss black surrounds and trims around the vehicle and the front and rear bumper designs. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys, we do find these exceptional 20-inch 5 V-spoke Audi Sport alloys. They are Black Edition specific and they do look fantastic against that blue paintwork. Moving to the side of the Q3, we do have the rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants in view, so it's continuing the overall black and blue theme. Moving into the rear boot space of the Q3 now, where there is 530 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional bags. Taking a look into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement, as well as the leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort. There are also Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, as well as rear ventilation, and also having more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, where we do find a typical Audi interior, with a large amount of fantastic and high quality in materials such as leather, Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it just means you get these full leather seats in which you have the S logo embossed. Above we find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, and you can also access your navigation as well as the radio stations and the vehicle status through the screen. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find the MMI touchscreen display, which has also featured the satellite navigation, as well as being able to access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.